How to make multiple ESTA visa waiver applications. Travelers submitting ESTA applications will often be accompanied by family members, colleagues, friends, or other travel companions. Fortunately, Customs and Border Protection (CBP) allows you to submit multiple or a group of ESTA applications. You can submit multiple applications by selecting Group of Applications on the homepage. Alternatively, you can select the Apply option and add individual applicants as needed. Managing a group of applications. Once the group contact has been created, you can add a new application for the group by selecting Add New Application. Making the payment. A group application can be paid for when there are at least 2 applications in the group. The applications must all be paid within 7 days of creating the group, otherwise the group will expire. Accessing the group applications. A group of applications can be retrieved from the group ID and the family name, first name and middle names, date of birth, and email address of the group contact. Checking the status. The status of each group traveler will be on the dashboard of the group contact. Each member of the group may have a different status throughout the 72-hour ESTA processing period.